Are 3D printed quadcopter frames durable enough for this hobby? I've got something in this package that may answer that question for good. Meet the R3D Carbon 2.5-inch micro quad. It's made from a company out of New York City. They're brand new. When I first went to their website, I immediately purchased this quad because there was only 2 available and these things are selling out fast. Full disclosure, I was not approached by this company to speak anything about this particular quad. I saw it, I loved it, I bought it, that's it. This quad is built out of a carbon-infused nylon. It is 3D printed, but I feel like it's way stronger than your normal 3D printing. I mean, I could physically take this thing and I'm putting some serious force, which is a lot more than this thing will ever come across in a crash. I mean, unless you crash it and somebody runs it over or a horse stomps it on, something like that. But you know, what are you gonna expect out of even a 5-inch carbon fiber quad at that point in time? This quad weighs 23 grams. That's super light. I mean, it's just, you can barely feel it in your hand. That's exciting. They've taken the time to print TPU feet, and these you don't have to put on if you don't want to. They just slide right on. They just slide right on and off like this. And then when you put the motor in, they screw right in place. And I mean, these things, they did such a good job that these things, the holes line right up. And these will also act as a motor cushion to dampen vibrations. I'm gonna go ahead and take those off. What they also did, this battery strap is TPU printed. From the looks of things, you can fit at least 3 chips in here. But we're definitely gonna find that out. I am currently piecing together parts to build this. That will become a build video as soon as I can get it out. I'm very excited for this little quad. I'm very excited about this thing. I'm physically trying to break this thing and it will not break. It just won't. All right, a quad is going to fly into something like this, right? So all the forces are gonna be pushing back on the arms. I'm physically taking them and bending them like this at their weakest point where there is, I mean, you could see there is flex, okay? But the flex is just due to this opening on the top here. And that flex is gonna absorb any kind of impact if it hits like this. And I mean, I physically can't. I mean, maybe if I like really wanted to break the thing, but you're never, ever gonna get that kind of forces out of a little quad like this. That's just not gonna happen. Now, could you build a 5-inch out of the same material? I think so. I think so. With the right kind of trussing, I really think so. We might be there. And that to me is amazing. This hobby is moving so fast. I love it. So I'm super excited to get this frame built. Super excited. So that's it. I just wanted to introduce you guys to this quad because it blew my mind when I saw it, and it's sitting here in front of me right now and it's still blowing my mind. So if you enjoyed this video, click that thumbs up button and just punch that subscribe button because you only get to do it once and it's fun. And I'll catch you later. Peace.